Is it going?
We're about like 2,000 feet up. Yes.
Jimmy, let me get you.
Oh.
Jimmy?
What?
No. How high are we?
2,000 feet up. Like, she said like
What baby?
2,000 feet up.
Punchbowl Falls. What do you see?
I see a really nice fall.
No. Punchbowl Falls. Really cool. Long hike, but it's worth it. Long hike, but it's worth it. What? Yeah. Is this the best Mother's Day for a long time?
Yeah! Second best.
What's the best?
Going to Corrales.
Oh, you like that? I like this too. I miss teal too.
It was the best in Puerto Vallarta.
We didn't do anything that day.
We went with my mom.
Oh yeah, that was
to
that was cool.
falls.
That's right.
Where did we go?
No, not that time. We didn't.
No?
No, we went to the restaurant.
Oh, we went to Illidan. Illidan or something?